Next up, we are moving with uh, Mycel, represented by Mr. Sungjin Sa. Nice to meet you. Please proceed with your presentation and Q&A. Thank you.
Do you see that?
Yes, clearly.
Okay, I start. Hello, I am Sungjin, CEO of Mycel. Today, I would like to introduce Mycel solution for future where technology, humanity, and nature can truly thrive together. And Mycel, we are redefining the future of materials based on the three core values: imagination, transition, regeneration. Now, in the face of climate crisis, the material industry faces three must-have requirement: premium quality, clean process, and regeneration. As the data will also show, we are far from achieving them. Here are the problem. No brand has successfully integrated all three pillars into one solution. Four barriers prevent this triangle from being realized. First, sustainability efforts are fragmented that create conflicting trade-off among the three requirements. Second, we can just layer sustainability onto an old model. This approach can drive fundamental transformation. Third, regeneration is misunderstood. Ecosystem restoration gets overlooked. Finally, there's a paradigm mismatch. Luxury supply chain aren't designed for fundamentally new materials. This is why we need to rethink everything. We don't need just less harmful material. We need integrated solutions that bring together premium quality, clean processes, and regeneration. And Mycel, we found our solution in nature's mycelium. It's root-like structure of fungi. Its microscopic fiber naturally formed textured leather-like surface. The result is lightweight, flexible material. What makes it special? The mycelium responds to environment condition. These allow us to fine-tune strength, density, and texture during cultivation. But mycelium goes beyond just material property. Through secondary metabolite, it maintains ecosystem balance. It actually regenerates the environment. Mycel is a fungal-inspired with White Bio startup as a spin-off from Hyundai Motors Company. Here, our core process, we begin with the pre-cultivation, then fermentation, finally surface culture for liquid medium. The upper pathway creates next generation materials from mycelium mat. Lower pathway transform liquid medium into regeneration material. Our integrated platform creates the premium materials and the regenerative solution simultaneously from one process. Maximum value, minimum waste is manufacturing that follow nature's design. Here are our three breakthrough solutions that complete the triangle. Ceramior, our luxury material, is the fundamentally new category, not alternative. Lumbus, our innovative clean manufacturing system with automated process and real-time monitoring. PCLM, post-cultivated wicked media, our beyond material solution for regeneration. What makes it powerful? Integrate. There are three interconnected solutions that amplify each other. Our flagship material is Ceramior. Ceramior is where purity meets performance. We achieve natural textures, leather-like surface, no synthetic chemical processing needed for fabrication. Visual elegance with a soft premium touch, is lightweight and high adaptable, perfect for fashion, interior, and mobility. Thermo deliver exceptional result. 99% purity is properties match shape letters. Our fabric reinforced version maintain 95% mycelium content. Its properties are similar with to cow leather. Samuel also achieved 48 biodegradability in 20 days. It significantly outperform animal leathers and biodegradable plastics like PBAT and the PLA. It delivers superior performance characteristic. It makes it the optimal balance, functionality, and environmental responsibility. Lumbus. Current pilot lumbus represent a breakthrough in biomaterial with success in operating the world's first liquid medium fermentation system. 4 months of operation, zero contamination, 100 viable mycelium. We are currently producing 13,000 sheets annually. This facility have proven our technology works commercially. We are also designing our future mass production facility, target 500,000 sheets annually, power source 100% renewable energy. The design is modular, unmanned, real-time LCA monitoring. This creates a scalable, low-carbon manufacturing system. We can deploy them globally. This represents more than just growth in capacity. It's a complete reimaging of how cultivate-based biomaterial can be produced at industrial scaling. Here's something fascinating. As we scale up, total carbon emission drastically decreased. We started at about 100 kilogram carbon emission per square meter in initial pilot phase. We can drop to just 6 kilogram carbon emission for square meter at optimizing mass production. Post-cultivation liquid medium is our hidden regeneration powerhouse. We discover oxygen in PCLM. You can see those particles, the sparkling particle in the video. Those are oxygen. They are naturally occurring nanovesicles that facilitating cell communication and tissue regeneration. Our analysis show 1.3 billion oxygen is 30 times the commercial level. It makes the PCLM a powerful platform for a regenerative application. Using PCLM, we achieve over 93% decolorizing of synthetic dye within 2 hours. In the image below, you can see the dye culture gradually becoming lighter. It is show the powerful potential for industrial wastewater treatment. We are developing fungal consortia using Mycel's nutrient-rich PCLM, incorporating diverse fungi for ecosystem restoration. Our fungal consortium approach leverages PCLM as a powerful tool for regenerative impact across agriculture, forestry, and remediation application. We offer 3 strategic partnership paths: material innovation, localized EU manufacturing through joint ventures, and the ecological restoration for luxury brand initiative program. We will match the right path for luxury brand. Mycel is a case startup, 1,000 plus company with 16 active projects, the strong government support, industrial certification, This show our technical credibilities and market validation. Our team combined science, sustainability, and design expert, biotechnology met aesthetic innovation. We solve complex challenges with both technical excellence and market understanding. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all the explanation and the data about Mycel. As you know, I would start with the first question, but it's really interesting for you. And what do you expect from participating and coming to VIVATECH? Do you want to make more partnerships in the luxury industry, or you want to be shown more as an eco-friendly solution, or you want to find clients? What's the goal this time?
We already have several luxury brands in France. So we have more deep communication with them. Yeah.
Okay. And currently, what industries or brands are showing the most interest in adopting your materials? Is it mostly luxury or other industry?
It's difficult to say the brand because we are due to the NDA, we can't tell the brand name. So,
No,
but
just industry, not the name necessarily.
yeah, fashion in the luxury fashion. I think
Mm-hmm.
the four top the luxury brand in France and luxury packaging materials, more luxury packaging industries in Switzerland, and 8 Italian brand, luxury brand. We are,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Because I think, if I remember well, you started a collaboration with a car manufacturer. Is not focused anymore to produce laser for them?
Yeah, as I mentioned, so we are the spin-off startup from
Mm.
Hyundai Motors, and we are deeply connected with Hyundai Motors, and also we are trying to connect the electric vehicle, the company like Geely or Lushit, or I exactly name, but several the car makers interested about them, about us.
Okay. And you already have partnerships signed outside of Korea, or is still on discussion for now?
Sorry.
You already have partnerships with companies outside of Korea, or it's still
Yeah,
on
outside of
discussion?
Korea. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have an example of product on the market using your materials, or
Uh,
not yet?
Not is commercial phase, but we are 3/4 this years maybe we are our product is in the commercial market, I think.
Okay, you already know what kind of product it will be? Oh,
Maybe it's cosmetic packaging.
okay,
So, yeah.
okay, it's good. And earlier in the presentation, you talk about another business also, the ecological solution.
Okay.
And so what do you want to focus on the most? Because for me, it seems like it's two different businesses. One is producing material, the other one is like having eco-friendly solution for others. What do you want to focus on the most in the future?
In this space, we just focus on the B2B market of the material, but we collaborate with many the research institute in Korea. So I want to expand the collaboration in the European institutions for the regenerations phase, because luxury brand also focus on the regeneration solution.
Okay. All right. So yeah, it's still early, so you still have the chance to choose where you want to go, I guess. Good. What was the biggest challenges you faced in scaling the production of
Money.
the material?
As you know, the fundraising for the build the factory is much bigger fundraising we need. So yeah, this is a biggest problem to us.
Mm. If there was no money issue, like you could produce unlimited quantity, right? Like tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. There's not much except the research you did earlier. There's no like um technological limitation still. Like you solved everything.
Sorry, I don't understand it.
I
Pardon.
mean, there's not more research or technological advancements to do to be able to produce more. It's only like scaling issues.
We already validated the scaling issues, so I think it's not problem. Our process is just, I think it's just the money problems, I think.
Okay, good luck for that. Will you have a sample material to show at people at VivaTech?
Yeah.
Okay. It will be like just the raw material, or will be like used for a sample product?
We will deliver the raw materials and the finishing materials and the product, like a bag and the cosmetic packaging.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Then I will be happy to come and touch it and then see it also
Yeah.
for sure. Okay. Um, Thank you very much for all the explanation and answering my question. Uh, that will be it for me. So thank you again, and I will be very happy to see you next week at VivaTech.
Yes, I expect to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. See you.